If you have started a quote and are unable to complete it, you can now save your work. DeMI will allow you to save your quote and return to it later to complete. To do this, make sure you select the Save Cart option before exiting your unfinished quote. Otherwise, you will lose your work. When you return, locate the unfinished quote from your list of saved carts. Once you have identified the cart you wish to continue working on, select the Add Selected Items to Cart option. This will copy your existing cart into a shopping cart. To access the new quote, click on the shopping cart in the upper right corner of your screen and continue to make product selections. When you are finished, use the Checkout option to submit your quote. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.